Good morning, students. Now we are back again to our studies as your examination is completed. So now we have to continue with our studies. We were in sound chapter, and next we have to read about characteristics of sound. Without looking in the sky, we can identify the sound of a thunder, or without looking at the dog, we can identify the sound of a bark. And many more examples are there in which we can identify the sound without seeing the sound creating object. And this is because different objects produces different kinds of sound, and the factors which affect the sound are pitch, loudness, and quality. So we have to go through the three factors which can affect the sound. First is pitch. Pitch is determined by the frequency of the sound waves. And what is pitch? Pitch is the shrillness or harshness of the sound. Shrillness means how shrill the sound is coming out from the object. Shrill means patla, or harsh means bhari. तो ये क्वालिटी, that means the shrillness or harshness of the sound can be identified by the factor which is known as pitch. So it refers to how shrill and bass the sound is. Bass means harsh. And it is determined by the frequency. That means the number of vibration in 1 second. When a sound wave is produced, the particles in the medium vibrate, you know very well. And we can also say the particles in the medium oscillate. Oscillation, vibration means same, both are same. That means that to and fro motion of the object is known as oscillation or vibration. So the number of oscillation in 1 second is called frequency. And frequency determines the pitch. If the frequency of the vibration is higher, the sound will have a higher pitch. See here. High frequency, high pitch. That means the number of vibration in 1 second, if it is more, then frequency is more and the pitch is also high. But when the frequency is low, the sound will have a low pitch. See in the first figure, the sound is producing low frequency. That means the number of vibration in 1 second is less. So the voice is harsh or hard or bass, which will create flat or grave sound. The sound produced by man is harsh, that means having low frequency, and the sound produced by women is having high frequency, and so it is shrill and having high pitch. So the frequency determines the pitch of the sound. Second is loudness. And the loudness is determined by the amplitude. As I explained you, what is amplitude? It is the maximum displacement of the sound. See here, the maximum displacement of the sound is called amplitude. And if the amplitude is less, then voice will be quieter. And if the amplitude is more, then the voice will be louder. So the amplitude of sound waves decides the sound of the body. The loudness of the sound depends on the amplitude of the vibration that produces it. The greater the amplitude of the sound, louder the sound is. And the SI unit of amplitude is decibel. Decibel is the SI unit of loudness. Small d, capital B. It is denoted by small d and capital B. The roar of a lion has a low pitch but higher amplitude. Low pitch means it is harsh. And high amplitude, that means it can travel a larger distance from a very large distance from the lion. We can hear it because of its high amplitude. This makes its voice louder and thus it can be heard from a distance. However, the sound produced by a sparrow or any bird has high pitch but low amplitude. Because high pitch, that means it is shriller and it can be heard very shriller, but it cannot be heard from far away. That means having low amplitude. Similarly, when we whisper, we produce low amplitude sound, and we shout, we produce high amplitude sound. Whisper means फुसफुसाना, धीरे से बोलना किसी बात को. At that case, we produce low amplitude. That means the sound travel is less distance. And when we shout, we speak in a loud voice, then it produces high amplitude sound. That means that sound travels a larger distance. So the loudness of the sound is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the sound produced. This means that the amplitude becomes 4 times, the loudness increases by 16 times. It is square of the amplitude. So the loudness of the sound is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. And it becomes just, we cannot say double, it is 4. If it is 4 times, then it is 16. If it is 2, then it will become 4. If it is 3, then it will become 9 times in that way. So that is the square of the amplitude of sound produced. So this is about amplitude of sound. Third is quality. The source of the sound determines the quality of the sound. Two sources of sound that may have the same frequency and amplitude may have different sounds. Having same frequency, same amplitude, but if it is produced from two sources, then it may have different sound. And this characteristic of sound enables us to differentiate between two sounds that have relatively same characteristics. And the quality of sound is also called its tone. Some devices are there which produce sound of the same frequency, whereas some can produce sound with multiple frequency, and such as a tuning fork produces a sound of single frequency, whereas a string instrument means the instrument which is having string wire, and the examples are guitar, sitar, violin, etc. These produces sound with multiple frequencies. But you can identify the sound because the source from which it is producing is different, and this is known as quality. So this quality of sound makes us enables to differentiate between two sounds. In the world, no human being are there which is having same sound. From a distance or from other room, from a large distance, we can identify the sound producing from different objects. You can see here in the activity to identify and classify soft and loud, low and high pitch sounds produced by given objects. First is tabla and violin. Which type of sound is produced by it? Low pitch or high pitch, soft sound or loud sound? Tabla and violin, which type of sound it will be? Whistle and flute, buzz of a bee and roar of a lion, all this you have to write in this column. Now you can better understand, and now you are able to fill this table.